So, sa number 14 nga question niya, determine which adopter has spent the most money on adoptions in the past year and calculate the total amount. So, first is kami select then atong ko ng first name, then ang last name, then sum dayon sa cost, then as total spent from adoption details sa table. Then ato rin siyang i-join sa adapter nga table A on the cost adapter B where years sa pag-adoption date time was to year sa current date. Then i-group by rin siya adapter ID, then i-order by total and descending. Then as you can see, makita ng first name o last name sa most money spent sa adoptions, which is si Ernesto de la Cruz, and yan total amount nga nagasto in the past year.